Kaplan University Login. Welcome everyone. In today's tutorial, we'll be walking you through the process of logging into your Kaplan University account. Kaplan University provides a comprehensive online learning platform, and we are here to guide you through the process of logging in. So let's begin. Start by opening your preferred web browser in your device. Then, in the search bar, you can type Kaplan University Login and then press enter. Tap on the official Kaplan login link from the results list. You will be directed to the sign-in page of the official website. Here you can enter your email address and password in the respective fields. You'll find email address box there and password a separate field for it. Then, after entering your passwords and your credentials overall, you can tap on sign-in button to access your account. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password link to reset it or recover. Additionally, you can have assistance. You can live chat with the support by entering your name, email, subject and starting the chat. And there you have it. That's everything you needed to know about logging into your Kaplan University account. With these few simple steps, you'll have access to all the resources and tools Kaplan has to offer.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.